Dear colleagues, journalist Mzia Maglobeli has become a symbol of all Georgians imprisoned by the Bidzina Ivanishvili regime. A week ago, representatives of the brave Georgians who have been fighting for an European Georgia for over 200 days attended the DROA subcommittee hearings in the European Parliament. But yesterday, the Russian oligarch Ivanishvili regime launched a full-scale legal assault against them. The situation is getting worse every day. My speech this time will not be about the regime of the Kremlin's friends in Tbilisi. We have said everything about this in the resolutions adopted so far. We need to talk about us, the EU. I do not understand the silence from the European Council, the Member States, and the High Representative Office. Mzia and her friends deserve respect and help. Serious sanctions against the regime are needed. Everyone who gets their hands dirty is afraid of them. We need to put pressure on the regime in every way and not ask them to return to the EU path anymore. They will not return, because this regime is the Kremlin's dream. They lied to their people about their aspirations to the EU. They lied to us in the European Parliament and EU. Only new fair elections can help Georgians get their country back. EU political will is needed. There is almost no independent media left in Georgia, only Sputnik-type propaganda TV channels. By the way, I do not understand why they, who spread poison about the EU, are still active here in the European Parliament. Let's act. The people of Georgia cannot be left alone.